Yeah, Penny ate that. Is that your horsey? Yeah. Are you going to ride your horsey? Okay. Show me how you ride your horsey. Yeah. You're such a cowboy. Or you want Mommy to ride the horsey? Okay. Can you count for Mommy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yay! Good job.
Mommy's.
All right, you ride the horsey.
Mommy.
What's the horsey say?
Mommy's.
Does the horsey go, 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 horsies. Oh, you want the horsey? Okay. You ride the horsey. Whoa. Don't hit Penny, please. No hitting. That's a horsey. That's a nice, gentle horsey. Thank you. Charlie, is that loud or quiet? Is it loud? Can you do quiet? That's nice and quiet. Loud? That sure is loud. Okay, now let's do quiet. Let's do quiet. Quiet. Can you say hi to camera? Hi. Hi. Oh, that's too loud. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, Charlie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.